Meet the new F-15EX, U.S. testing 7th generation fighter jet in Red Sea. The new F-15X Eagle II, also known as the Super Eagle, recently took to the skies with a mix of missiles that could make it the most heavily armed fighter ever. The jet carried a combination of 3 JSOM cruise missiles and 12 AMM air-to-air missiles, a potent combination that is probably unmatched in the world of fighter aircraft. The F-15X passed its most recent test with flying colors. Fighter planes, the F-15X is fulfilling its potential as a missile truck, delivering a lot of missiles into combat in a manner that stealthy fighters are unable to. The most recent iteration of the F-15 Eagle fighter plane, initially intended to be an air superiority fighter, is known as the F-15X Eagle II. The F-15 first took to the skies in a multi-role version in 1972. The F-15X is the most recent and advanced model of the F-15 Strike Eagle, which debuted in 1986. When the Eagle II first takes to the skies in 2021, it looks like earlier models on the outside, but inside is a very different tale. Large interactive touchscreens in the cockpit are equipped with digital fly-by-wire flight controls on the fighter. The fastest installed mission computer ever, the Eagle Passive or Active Warning and Survivability System, provides electronic defense against hostile air defenses on a fighter plane. The first to leverage the Open Mission System for simple software and hardware modifications, the Joint Helmet-Mounted Cueing System firepower dimensionally, the F-15X is the same as earlier F-15s. However, it can carry the F-15A, F-15C, and F-15E had significantly increased firepower, reaching a maximum of 8 air-to-air missiles. These missiles were usually a combination of larger, longer-range A-7 Sparrow and shorter-range A-9 Sidewinder infrared-guided missiles, as well as later 120 AMM radar-guided missiles. The F-15X's new advanced missile and bomb ejector rack missile racks are the key to its enormous payload gain. The F-15X is capable of carrying 50% more air-to-air missiles, 12 total, thanks to new racks that carry missiles and bombs and provide data links between the aircraft and the munition. This is all made possible by the Advanced Missile and Bomb Ejector Rack, which gives the F-15X 23 weapon stations overall as opposed to 17 on the older F-15E. In terms of rocking capability, the F-15X flown in the England tests does seem to be the most heavily equipped fighter plane ever made. Even with a 50% chance of success for each AMM missile, the F-15X in its current configuration could bring down at least 6 enemy fighters. Its 3JA, the F-15X can strike 3 severely protected targets with a high degree of accuracy and confidence thanks to some cruise missiles, each of which has a range of 250 mi and a stealthy shape to keep them off enemy radars. Other planes can carry more bombs or more explosive by weight. 5,000-pound laser-guided bombs or 15 MK 82,500-pound unguided bombs can be carried by the earlier F-15E Strike Eagle. Up to 14 air-to-air missiles are shown in the concept artwork for the F-18E Super Hornet, but in each instance, the aircraft is heavily weighted towards air-to-ground or air-to-air combat. In contrast, the F-15X fighting load is balanced, enabling it to unleash its Jazz missiles at enemy targets and then quickly move on to take on a completely different mission like